I think the easiest way to understand this problem is to set up our integers. We've got 5 consecutive integers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they're consecutive. So the first one would be x. The next one would be x plus 1. The next one would be x plus 1 or x plus 2. X plus 3. And the last one would be x plus 4. So they're increasing. And the very middle one, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integers. The very middle one is x plus 2. So that would be the median. So we know Roman numeral 2 is true. The median is one of the integers. And let's find the average. To find the average, we would add these up. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 and divide by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you got 5x plus 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 10 divided by 5. And that's 5x over 5 plus 10 over 5, which is x plus 2. So the average is x plus 2. That takes care of Roman numeral 1. The average is one of the integers. And then look, the median equals the average. So those three things will be true for consecutive integers. So your answer is E.